Hello viewers, welcome to my channel, where I teach how to make earnings using the latest AI tools. Today, I have something special for you guys. A free AI tool which helps you create videos for free. It can also generate voiceovers and images, all for free. So let's dive in without wasting any time. The free AI tool I am talking about is Augie. Go to beta.meetaugie.com. The link is in the description. Once you enter the site, this is how it looks. Here you can see the tips and video tutorials to use this tool. And below this, you can see the videos you have created. Now let me show you how this works exactly. Watch the video till the end so that you can create your own AI videos without any errors. Before we start, if you are someone looking to make money using AI tools, subscribe to my channel. I upload such videos every week to help you reach your goal. Now, to create your first video, click the Create button on the right top corner. This will take you to this page where you have three options. If you already have the audio and want to pair it with some visuals, you can choose the first option. The second option is for script to video. If you have already generated the script using ChatGPT or any other tool and just want to create a video for that script, you can choose this option. And the third option is to create videos from scratch. This is where the magic happens. This tool will create an entire script by itself and also create a video on that script all by itself. All you have to do is give it a topic. And this is what we are going to explore today. So let's choose the third option, which will take us to this page, where we can play with the settings to make our video look unique. Here you can choose the goal of your video, your target audience, the location of the audience you are targeting, and the tone of the voiceover. And this is where you can type your topic. Try to describe your topic in detail. This will help the tool understand your requirements. Now let's give it a topic. The topic I'm going to use is 5 ways to kill laziness. Type the topic and hit the Let's Go button. And boom, the tool has generated the script for your video. You can edit the script if you want to make any changes or leave it as it is. For this video, I am going to leave it as it is. Now let's move on to select a voice to generate the voiceover. From this drop-down menu, you can choose any voice you like. Let's choose this one. You can preview the voiceover by clicking the Preview button. Let's hear the voiceover before proceeding.
Laziness, the seemingly endless battle we all face. But what if I told you there are 5 simple ways to conquer it? Imagine a world where productivity reigns supreme, where your goals are achieved effortlessly.
The tool has really generated a high-quality voiceover. You can either proceed to the next step, or you can download the voiceover to use it elsewhere. You can also clone your own voice by clicking the Record button. For this video, I am going to use the voiceover generated by the tool. Now hit the Let's Go button to proceed. Here you can change the orientation of your video. Let's select the vertical orientation for this video and hit the Next button. Now here you can select what type of media you want to use in your video. As you can see, you have multiple options. You can select as many options as you want, or you can use your own media files by choosing this option. But for this video, I am going to proceed with the stock footages. Let's select the stock clip option and hit the Next button. Here you can review the settings you have selected. Let's tick this box and hit that Create button. The tool is working in the background to create your video. You can wait until it's finished, or you can start creating another video by clicking the Create button again. Our video is ready. Now let's preview our video by clicking on it, which will take us to the editor page. On this page, you can edit your video and make any changes to it, like changing the clips, adding texts, subtitles, and background music. You can also add filters and effects. Spend some time here to get familiar with the options and make your video look unique. And if you don't find the appropriate media for your video, you can generate your own images by clicking this Generate button. This tool has an inbuilt text-to-image tool, and it's completely free to use. For this video, I am not going to make any changes and leave it as it is. Hit the Download button to start building the video. Here you can see it is building our video. Okay, the video has been generated. Now let's have a look at the end result.
Laziness, the seemingly endless battle we all face. But what if I told you there are 5 simple ways to conquer it? Imagine a world where productivity reigns supreme, where your goals are achieved effortlessly. Picture yourself as the master of your own destiny, accomplishing great things. It's not a dream, it's a reality waiting for you. Discover the path to greatness, banishing laziness forever. Step by step, you'll unlock your true potential, unleashing a force within you that cannot be contained. Join us on this journey of self-discovery, where you'll break free from the shackles of procrastination and create a life filled with purpose and success. It's time to rise above laziness and reveal the extraordinary individual you truly are.
Not bad, isn't it? Remember, we haven't made any changes to the video, but you can edit your video on the editor page to make it look better. I hope this free tool will help you generate many videos. Follow the steps shown in this video to avoid any errors. Before winding up, I would like to request you guys to like the video and hit that subscribe button for more such content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.